All right. So we programmed a game where you play as a dinosaur and you dodge dodgeballs, which spawn at the right of the screen. My name's Will Hall. I wrote the configuration file. So this is our file. There's no game logic, but of course we declare the screen resolution, FPS, the spawn event for the dodgeball spawning on the right of the screen. We have our player speed and the paths for the files for our player, our sounds for the dodgeball and the player. And then of course we have dodgeball speeds we have different sizes of dodgeballs and they go at different speeds. So yeah, pretty simple.
Hi, I'm Raven Wilson. I did the player part of the code. I did so when the dinosaur moves, it's gonna go horizontally up and down to dodge the dodgeballs. And yeah.
I'm Deja McDonald. I did the dodgeball file. I set the speed so that it will come from a random side, either left or right. And it places the dodgeball off screen based on the side and plays the spawn sound of the ball.
Hi, I'm Connor Mounts. I did like the main file for it. It kind of ties it together, so it draws all the surfaces or blits all the surfaces. It keeps track of whether you've won or lost, how many you've dodged, um, and it controls like the how you win and how you stop the game. So use W, A, S, and D to dodge dodgeballs. You got to dodge 10 to win. As I said earlier, they move at different speeds. So the bigger ones move slower, the smaller ones move quicker. That's what happens when you win. If you lose, you just lose and you have to restart. There's only one level. We got all of the assets online through copyright-free sources. They were all edited through Paint and Audacity. Some of the challenges we faced was learning the Pygame library. So just learning like all of the keywords to use, all the different tools at our disposal were probably the biggest challenge for us.
Yeah, and then to exit the game, whenever you play it, and it's either so if you lose, it'll just take you to you lost screen, and then it'll just stay there. So you have to hit the escape key, and then run the code again, and then it'll start over. And then even if you win, it keeps you at the you won screen, and then you hit the escape key to exit the game and to play again.
Yep. So that is Dinosaur Dodge.